Good evening. My name is Phys133. This is Lab 1 for 2D projectile motions for Physics 113 for the fall semester. Right here, I have my lab set up where I use the protractor to measure the degrees. Here is the marble that we use. Tied a fishing line to weight to measure off where the end of the ramp goes down. I used a marker, taped it, marked it, and when the ball rolls off, we have the measuring tape and the paper. However, I don't have the parchment marking paper when it came. I used a QR code. When I scanned it, I checked all the lists that you check before you accept a box. When I was going through the list, I didn't see the parchment paper on the list, nor I did not have the parchment paper here when I got all the documents and the graph papers. So I just used a regular printer paper, and the way I used to see where the ball land, like the indentation, was whenever the ball would roll down, since it's carpet, it would typically leave an indentation on the paper, and I would once the indentation was left, I would just come back with a marker, circle it, and then I would mark it all here which one was which. The trial 1, run 2, trial 1, run 1, run 4, run 3, trial 2, run 1, 2, 3, and 4, trial 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's what I used to graph it. As soon as I got the information, wrote it down on the paper, rounded it, put it in the graphs, and then we used the math to predict to calculate the velocity, the projectile range, the actual range, and then we just used both of them to find the percentage of error. This is also another work that I was answering. I already did the project before I recorded, so I kind of already did some trial and errors and had the time to figure out what I needed to do for the project. But this is basically it. This is just again for Lab 1. Hopefully I see you guys more soon. My camera doesn't flip over, and also I'm kind of moving soon, so hopefully I'm able to get more labs, and hopefully this class still goes smoothly as I make a transition to a new duty station.